Matsuura have recently invested in their own additive manufacturing centre to support the industry here in the UK. They've opened their doors today. Take a look.
The additive manufacturing centre that we're opening today is all about keeping what we've been doing with HP for 4 years, being the experts of the workflow, knowledge, and now welcoming desktop metal. So here we are in a new home.
It's a bit like being at home, but smarter and nicer. It's absolutely incredible. I mean, they've got everything I've got, so they do everything I do, so if I have a problem, they can replicate it and work it out and sort it out. So yeah, they can support like nobody else in the world. They're superb.
What brings me here today is I just wanted to see the fabulous new showroom, because it really is now a showroom for Matsuura. When we last came here, it was a much smaller facility, and we saw the parts and machines, and it was fantastic. But this time around, it's a huge wow.
So we've been able to work with HP and Dimension for over 4 years now. We realised at the start when we first joined with them that they were market leaders in the industry, and we've also had the same feedback from all of our customers that they're very happy with all of the machines.
Particularly interested in the metal printing. We're already using the MJF machines and the Dimension kit. So yeah, we're interested to see where the next technologies are coming from, what we'd like to be able to potentially use next as we grow Midlands 3D. Really, we're following demand. I mean, the market changes all the time, and you know, we're speaking to customers who didn't really know how they could utilise additive manufacturing themselves, and as we've explored it with them, they found the opportunities, which means we've found the demand.
Yeah, so Matsuura have been great. We kind of went from nowhere to having this fantastic bit of equipment installed in our facility within about 3 months. So having this kind of machine that allows us to beat the conventional plastics manufacturers, offering that infill capability, really helps us get products in front of customers in days or weeks rather than perhaps in the past months or even longer.
I think when I started, I hadn't seen anything. I'd seen one printer from a distance. I'd seen a few parts, I'd had a few parts printed, but I had no idea really what I was letting myself in for. And being able to come to a working environment like this and see all of the machines you're likely to look at and want to buy, working, running, looking at the full workflow, whether it's through the HP to Dimension or the other desktop metal equipment, to be able to see it in action and hands-on use it, you know what you're letting yourself in for. It's amazing, it's brilliant.
Absolutely brilliant. It's quite impressive, isn't it? You know, the opportunity to actually come and see the machines working, be able to actually get your hands on them and actually have the guys walk you through how they work. Brilliant, brilliant, and it's relatively close to us, which is good for us.
Seeing the expansion of Matsuura and seeing this new fantastic facility, what we can see is that they have views on growing their business, and equally they're going to be supporting us in our growth. So as they put more and more machines and more technology into their facilities, what we can see is they'll be able to support us more and more, and we can see where we're going to go for our business and manufacture.
The future here is exciting. I think any customer that comes in here is going to have one hell of an experience, and without sounding bragging, I think we've probably got one of the best facilities in the country to do that.